What's up, y'all? This is a perfect example of when I do too much. I had an idea what I wanted to do for this painting. I wanted to use the same colors as last time with the color that I mixed up myself. Use the same colors as I did before. I added some silicone, and I wanted to do the same kind of thing where I just kind of put it in the smaller cups, pinch them so I can get the lines and do that. The initial part of it looked really cool, and it was starting to look way cooler than I expected, but I had already made up all of the paint, and instead of having restraint, I decided to keep going, and by keeping going, I kind of messed this up a little bit. I like it. It's not anything close to my best work, and I seem to be overdoing it a little bit too much lately. I need to get back into the swing of things a lot so that I can kind of calm down and bring this down a little bit, and kind of come back to my senses and figure out what's going to work best for me and the paintings. But yeah, so it's really just kind of a mess, a pretty mess, but it's a mess. And so I'm gonna do this again, maybe with the same colors, maybe not, and then I'm gonna try to have a little bit more restraint in how I pull this off. So of course, you guys do the things, like, share, subscribe, and I'm out of here. Peace out to the warriors. Yeah, I say that on the podcast, but like no one here knows what that means. So just facebook.com/PTCAC, and yeah, peace out.